haven't posted a video in a long while, and I apologize. So to make up for it, I'll be singing two songs for you. The first one I'll sing is Stand in the Rain by Superchic or Superchic or however you pronounce their name. And then the second one, which will be in a separate video, will be Courtesy Call by 1000 Foot Crutch. And again, I apologize for not posting a video in a while. I don't know why, but I just didn't really feel that up to it, kind of. It's kind of difficult to explain, but yeah, so she never slows down. She doesn't know why, but she knows that when she's all alone, it's like it's all coming down. She won't turn around. The shadows are long and she fears if she cries that first tear, the tears will not stop raining down. So stand in the rain, stand your ground, stand up when it's all crashing down. You stand through the pain, you won't drown. And one day what's lost can be found, so stand in the rain. She won't make a sound, alone in this fight with herself and the ears whispering. If she stands, she'll fall down. She wants to be found. The only way out is through everything she's running from. Wants to give up and lay down. So stand in the rain, stand your ground. Stand up when it's all crashing down. Stand through the pain, you won't drown. And one day what's lost can be found. So stand in the rain. So stand in the rain, stand your ground. Stand up when it's all crashing down. Stand through the pain, you won't drown. And one day what's lost can be found. So stand in the rain, stand your ground. Stand up when it's all crashing down. You stand through the pain, you won't drown. And one day what's lost can be found. You stand in the rain. So that song to me means a lot. When I was struggling with not really liking myself and stuff like that, I listened to that song a lot and it really helped me through a lot of stuff. So if you're struggling with anything, that's a really good song to listen to. In fact, the band is a good band to listen to because they sing sort of like don't give up kind of songs. Another good one that I like is Hero, and I'll put that link to that song in the description. That's also a really good song to listen to. So yeah, so now I'm gonna close out this video and go to another one, and over there I'll be singing Courtesy Call by 1000 Foot Crutch. So hope you enjoy.